So that is in fact as far as the sentiment on ground is concerned. This route is going to have a lot of impact on ground. This route will in fact make a lot of difference is what people are saying. And this visit of the Prime Minister is bound to enthuse voters here in Ahmedabad and also in other parts of Gujarat. That's the sentiment that in fact all of these have, all the persons behind me. He may have left over half an hour ago, but the enthusiasm is very clearly palpable with the chanting of Modi slogans of these citizens right behind me. Let's take this right back in fact to our guests who are with us. If Jay continues to be with us. Jay, if I can put this question across to you, over 16 constituencies that the Prime Minister will be going to, the significance as one of the citizens was telling us, as one of the voters was telling us, is that he has virtually covered the entire Ahmedabad. All right, I believe Aishwarya is with us. Yes, Aishwarya, I believe you have guests with you. Over to you.
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's capital is just right here, a few meters away from Sardar Patel statue, where he will stop and be gathering the statue. And people are just waiting for Prime Minister. You can see the cavalcade of Prime Minister Narendra Modi has arrived over here. It's the mega roadshow that Prime Minister is holding in Ahmedabad. And from both these sides, people have their mobile phones to click the photograph of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he will be he has started remember his roadshow from Naroda, and first stop over here at Bapu Nagar, where he'll stop and will be garlanding the statue. There you can see people over there building the flowers on the cavalcade and just waiting for Prime Minister to arrive just few meters away from there, where Prime Minister's hut is on the back, and clearly the people over here is waiting desperately for Prime Minister Modi. One glimpse as Prime Minister will be moving from here towards Ellis Bridge and later to Gandhi Nagar, a 35-kilometer long mega roadshow that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is conducting. Remember, it is just not the roadshow itself of Prime Minister today. It was three mega rallies as well, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi had earlier done in Himmatnagar, in different parts of Gujarat, and after conducting three rallies in Karol, Chota Udaipur and Himmatnagar, he arrived in Ahmedabad and is conducting mega 3.5-hour long road show, which consists of 35 kilometers. Almost 11 assembly constituencies will be covered by Prime Minister, something which we have never seen before. The longest road show that Prime Minister is conducting today before the second phase of assembly elections on 5th of November. Remember, it all started from Naroda, Gram, and then after completing 5 pit stops in Naroda, Patia, Krishna Nagar, Char Rasta, Irwadi, Suhana Restaurant, he will be soon arriving here at Thakkar, Bapnagar, at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. This is Sham Shikhar, Char Rasta, where he will be garlanding the statue from here, from Bapu Nagar. He will be soon, starting his roadshow, and will be going towards Nicole, to which Khati Nagar, Char Rasta, Virat Nagar, Char Rasta will be covered. Another assembly constituency which is very important, Amravadi, will be the next pit stop, and therefore Madinagar. In Madinagar, remember, will be he will be garlanding the statue of Deen Dayal Upadhyay, and from there he will be moving towards Ellis Bridge, Ghatlodia, where he will be stopping and will be paying tributes to Subhash Chandra Bose as well in Narayanpura, and later at Gandhi Nagar, Dakshin, he will be stopping his road show covering almost 35 kilometers of this mega road show. Energy amongst people who are here on both the sides of road, just waiting with flowers and welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. These are series of roadshow that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is conducting, and therefore the reason perhaps the Congress had been attacking the Bharatiya Janata Party and stating that it is the desperation of BJP where is looking for each and every assembly for twice and doing road shows, going to different streets across, and this is desperation of BJP and the Prime Minister and BJP is nervous in these elections. Certainly the people over here, the voters over here are clearly saying that this is not a desperation, but this is the love towards Prime Minister that we are showing. We are waiting for Prime Minister for last 3 and 4 hours. आप लोग क्या कहेंगे प्रधानमंत्री की रैली के लिए, क्या कहेंगे आप लोग? कांग्रेस कह रही है कितनी रैलीज कर रहे हैं, डेस्परेशन है, ये घबराहट है बीजेपी का?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी घबराहट नहीं है उनको। ये उनका एरिया है, उनका ये गढ़ है, वो यहाँ पे सबको मिलने के हिसाब से आए। भाजपा का इस बार 150 प्लस पक्का है और पक्का ही है।
विश्वास है बीजेपी कितनी सीट लाने वाली है प्रधानमंत्री के रोड शो के बाद? कितना
सीट 150 से ऊपर ही आएगी। यहाँ पर तो कोई है ही नहीं चांस। और
क्या काम करके दिखाया भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने? विकास के नाम पर टिकट मांग रही है। क्या क्या काम आपको याद आते हैं?
यहाँ पर जो पहले था उससे तो काफी गुना 300% विकास हुआ है। काफी क्षेत्रों में विकास हुआ है, क्योंकि हर क्षेत्र में मोदी जी की चाहत ऐसे ही तो नहीं बनती है। हर जगह पर मोदी जी बराबर काम किए, चाहे व्यापार हो और भी हो, इंडस्ट्रीज हो, कहीं पर भी हो।
Well, so there you can see now Prime Minister arriving over here in a mega road show. Prime Minister's cavalcade has arrived here in Bapu Nagar, where Prime Minister will stop and will be garlanding the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Clearly, there you can see Prime Minister folding his hands and waving across to the voters on both sides of the roads as people were waiting for Prime Minister to arrive over here to just have one glimpse of Prime Minister. And this is the kind of love and support that Prime Minister always gets whenever he conducts the road show. You can see in one of his trucks, he will just come out of this truck and will go towards Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue. First pit stop of his road show, 35-kilometer long, unprecedented road show that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding here in Ahmedabad, the capital city of Gujarat.
All right, so the big road show continuing there. Prime Minister Modi and several supporters of the BJP now at the spot wanting to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. Now let's also